If your car breaks down tomorrow, if your child gets sick, if your paycheck is delayed just 1 week, would you be okay? For 57% of people, the answer is no. They can't cover a $500 emergency. But you're not alone. Millions live paycheck to paycheck, not because they were lazy or irresponsible, but because no one taught them how to build safety. Rent goes up, groceries go up, gas goes up, but our peace of mind, it goes down. Why is saving so hard? Because life doesn't slow down, because bills don't wait, because we think we need thousands of dollars to start, and because we've been taught to survive, not prepare. But what if you didn't need to be perfect? What if you could start building real financial security with just 10 minutes a day? One habit, one pause, one transfer at a time. That's what the 30-Day Emergency Fund Challenge is about. It's not a spreadsheet. It's not a budget boot camp. It's a step-by-step guide to help you go from stuck to stable. Inside, you'll find daily micro-challenges. No stress, just progress. Creative ways to save and earn, even if you're broke. Powerful mindset shifts that make saving feel good. Checklists, trackers, and reflection prompts by day 30. You'll have more money in your savings, more confidence in your plan, and more peace of mind than ever. Imagine looking at your bank account and seeing a safety net. Imagine knowing that when life throws something at you, you're ready. This challenge isn't about money. It's about freedom. It's about power. It's about sleeping better at night and waking up with less fear. You don't need more guilt. You don't need to wait for the right time. You need a plan and a guide that walks with you. The 30-Day Emergency Fund Challenge is available now on Amazon. Tap the link, start today, and build the financial peace you deserve, one day at a time.